Hi! In front of me is TECNO SPARK 10 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps. You need to begin by going into Play Store and installing your new defaults. I will go with Opera Mini Browser. When your apps are ready, go into Devices Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down to access App Management. Click on Default Apps and select one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser App. Lastly, tap on your new downloaded one that you want to apply, like Opera Mini, and click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!